Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a delicious Ghanaian snack, the Ghanaian dried donut, also called Bofrot. Alternatively, if you want the Bufflot to be yellowish on the inside, add a pinch of turmeric at this stage. Place the dough in a warm place to quicken the rising process. You can either place it in a warm oven or place a glass of hot water in the oven and leave the dough to rise until it doubles in size. I usually like to combine Bofrot with fan yogo or super yogo. However, it is hard to come by where I live, so I had to improvise and I came up with a recipe. The combination is so perfect and seriously satisfying. You just have to try it. If you would like to make fan yogo, I'll leave the link in the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, share the video with your loved ones, and leave a comment below. And if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button so you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.